My name is Robert Exey. I'm the president of Elliott Bay Design Group. We are super excited about what we're doing now and what we have planned for the future.
When we started up the company, it was an idea to carry on a tradition of solid naval architecture and marine engineering in support of customers. Modern naval architecture involves a group of specialists working together to deliver solutions for the customers.
Elliott Bay is full of fantastic talent, and it is terribly exciting to be able to work with them and have the opportunity for them to work with us.
We have tried to build a core of professionalism, but also professionalism with a heart, because we care about our employees just as we care about our customers.
We really pride ourselves on building our team, our family-oriented environment here. I believe that we prove that when the customer comes to us and says, I want to design this type of vessel, I want to do this type of opportunity, we work with them every step of the way. We talk with them, we get their input. That's the most important thing through the process. So when we say our team is your team, and that we're an extension of their team, it really is also speaking to the fact that they're going to put their heart and soul into the design, and it's going to be really a piece of them. They're going to have ownership when that's done.
We like to position ourselves as their partners in these decision processes. We work with them at the early stages, doing concept studies, economic studies, to try and build a business case, down to working with them in negotiating with shipyards, dealing with emergent issues on vessels that are in repair or operation, to really, as I say, be their technology partner and help them going forward.
We want it to be a fun experience for our customers as well. It's something that they really get to have fun doing and get to engage in and learn as they go through, and not just they're learning, but we're also learning from our customers on every one of these projects, how they operate, what's meaningful to them. And that's a really exciting part of the process for us is just getting to build those relationships and getting to learn all we can about our clients.
Elliott Bay is no longer just vessel design. We have branched out into Seesaw, an administrative support network, and empowering folks to reach their own potential, but also some new projects, alternative fuels for the marine industry, and far reach into the industry as a whole to see how we can support them.
We at Elliott Bay don't have a canned solution that we bring to the table. We try to be good listeners, and we try to understand how our customers, who are all unique in their businesses, how to craft those solutions that best marry and work with their needs.
The industry is full of buzz about the opportunities coming in 2022, and we're here to help companies reach their potential, as well as bring innovative ideas to the table. At Elliott Bay,
our team is your team.
Our team is your team.
Our team is your team.